That thing's huge. That's the biggest one I've ever gotten.
Reckon how many fish sticks we can get out of that.
Wow, what a monster.
Unreal.
That is so cool. Trying to think of a name for this show. Below Barkley Dam. These women were shooting silver carp. So we're thinking damn trashy women.
Silver foxes.
Silver foxes. Something tasteful, I think.
Oh,
Bowfishing is
always tasteful.
Bowfishing's all about good taste.
Oh yeah, full class.
Full of class.
Classy, yeah. Said no one about Will Brantley ever.
Get it? You did? Keep watch, Michelle. Oh, it's a, I can't tell what that is. Oh, it's a big head. Nope, it's another big old grass carp. You got that one. Did you get yours, Michelle? Just keep watching. They're all over the place. Oh, that's a big old grass carp. Golly, here, you want the gas? Good shot. Nice shot. Little buffalo. You got it. Yeah, good shot. Good shot. First thing. Good shot. They're going all down through there, Britta. See him up? Chuck him in there and kill another one. Got that one. Michelle. Good shot. Keep watching, Toby.